How did New York shape me? That's actually a great question. As a person, it shows you that you really live in a society where you will only be as good as the last thing that you've done and how hard you hustle. End. Because there's 50 other people behind you in New York that will take your spot and eat you alive. It's never easy here. I think that's part of the point, but you can't ever be lazy in the city because if you sleep for 1 second, you are good as gone, my friend. Daniel Gershburg is my name. My law firm is Gershburg Law PC. We have locations in both New York, and Brooklyn, and I became a Clio customer in 2012. We mainly focus on real estate and bankruptcy. So on the real estate end, we're going to represent purchasers and sellers of homes. And on the bankruptcy front, the vast majority of what we do is representing people, consumers, and filing Chapter 7 bankruptcies. And so how does Clio make me a better lawyer? It allows me to be in places at the same time. When I share a bill with a client or share a case file, I am there with them, even when I'm not. If I'm in court, if I'm at a closing and they have a question, they no longer have to wait on the response for me or say Daniel's being slow. Daniel's really quick because he's in your inbox right now. I hate talking about myself in the third person, but Clio allows me to do that. So there aren't things that I have that Clio doesn't do. It hits every single spot that I have as a solo or small firm attorney for me. My first few years of practice, I was punched in the face like 30 times. I would go into court and prepare for a motion and the judge would just be like, who is this child, right? And that hits your ego hard. You have to get up. You just have to get up. You have to do it again over and over again. Can you walk up to strangers on the street, in meetings, in restaurants, wherever you find them and say, I want to work for you. This is what I can do. Trust me in terms of what I'm doing. A lot of people are scared to do that. Don't open up your own law practice. If you have the grit and the resolve, then you have a shot. Do you have that hustle in you?